Welcome to my October allotment plot tour. I'm Kimmy and this is Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden. We have some apples that I've been taking some home every now and again. And I've still got some onions lying about. What are you doing? You're ruining my wood chip. Yep, it's not October, it is November now. But this is my October plot tour. Just collected some pumpkins from a friend and our pumpkins to put in the compost bin. Some strawberries. It was really windy last night, so some things fell over. I still need to sort the strawberry runners out. I have been putting them in the spare bits. I need to put some in there. The leek's getting bigger now. I put that on just to stop the chickens getting onto it. They're getting bigger now. It's the last of the chrysanthemums. It's my sunflower. All the apples I need to put in the compost. Some raspberries, I need to cut down the old ones actually. It's my greenhouse, still not done, but we have ordered the plastic and it hasn't blew away because it's actually screwed in now. The thyme's doing really well here. It's flowering a bit. I'm going to take some cuttings and make it grow all the way along. So I'll have to search when I need to take the cuttings for that. It's a bit of a mess because I've been moving the compost bin, so I should tidy that up. This is where the pumpkins were. That's actually got a few bags worth of compost there that I need to move. Some of the carrots that I haven't dug out. Still some left, but I've seen people leave them in and just get them when they want, so I'm going to try and do that. It's my chickens, next door's chickens. Some pot marigolds and a courgette with a random pumpkin. This courgette plant's still alive actually. There's a little courgette on it. Even though it's been stood on when we were harvesting the pumpkins. I need to cut the chives. These are the pumpkin. These are the leeks I planted a bit later, so they're a bit smaller. But they will grow for spring if the chickens leave them alone. Some nasturtiums. Let's get a close look of the nasturtiums. And some yellow ones. I was wanting them to spread all over the brassica bed, but that didn't happen. But it's still doing its job, distracting the white butterfly and the caterpillars. There's even more over there. I'll show you in a bit. It's a bit more mess from the compost bins. The tayberries fell down. I was trying to put it on there, but it's fell on the gooseberry bushes. So I'm going to tie it up and put it up there. I think it's alright. As long as the neighbours are alright with it. They haven't said anything so far. It's a bit spiky. Hey, Casper! Go nicely with that chicken. It was supposed to be fawn, this one, but it's not really. It's still got a little bit of fawns. Not as big as like the brambles that you get. Still hard. This See, I need to concentrate on harvesting the kale. These are all the pot marigolds that I've got to seed. I'm going to collect some seeds, not that I'll need to because they're probably going to self-seed everywhere. The brassica cage door thing come off, but I've got loads more net now. I need to put that. I need to harvest that because it's starting to split. I have to do that soon. They're all ready as well. They look really nice. What are you doing? It's the globe artichokes that I let go of sour this year. This rest of the nasturtiums. Going in next doors a bit, I hope they don't mind. Some weeds I need to sort out there. It's the blackcurrant bush. Can't believe how much it grew this year, considering I only moved it in spring. Looks like it's already got buds on. I've still got potatoes I need to dig out there. But again, I've seen people leaving them in and just digging them out when they want. And since this allotment doesn't flood, it should be alright. And they're keeping the weeds down for me. Got a little tunnel to go through. That's a big pile of chicken compost out of the chicken run. Because when you leave the chickens in the chicken run, it just piles off, especially when I put weeds in all the time. So there's absolutely loads there. I've been putting the chicken bedding in there as well. So that should rot down nicely, ready to use for spring, and it's absolutely full of worms. This bit's not covered. Yeah. The chickens are enjoying being let out. I don't know where the other one is. I better not be on my legs. I think it's still in the raspberry bed. We'll have a check in a minute. That's my child I've been feeding the chickens. And that's peppers from broccoli. I'll see how the Brussels sprouts are doing. I'm going to have to move them soon. Yeah, they're getting covered. I might get some spring sprouts, I don't know. This back bit looks pretty bad right now. I need to tidy up this. Cardboard's finally given. I've been saying I need to tidy this in the last few videos, I think. There's some nasturtiums. In here, I've chopped all these nettles down over here, as much as I can anyway. I've been filling this up again. So that's got nettles. And this one has got comfrey with a little bit of nettles that fell off as I was taking the nettles down, so there's that many. That's a honeyberry. There's 3 bushes there, 2 big ones and a little one that I planted later. So I reckon I'm going to get loads of honeyberries in spring this year. And I've got loads of net to put over it so the birds can't get them. Into the chicken run, got some paving slabs there now. That was just what I was using for the wheelbarrow. And it goes there. That's my steps to get into the chicken house that I need to clean a little bit. Got some eggs. I've put that in there because last time I had that in the shed I had mice and I don't want mice in the shed again. I think it should be alright there as long as I don't get mites this year. But it's looking along here, I haven't got any, and I keep using that something off every now and again just to make sure I don't get any mites ever again. And I haven't been, so that should be alright in here. I've put another little paving stone there. I'm going to put some more in. So when the gate shuts, they can get to the water here. And that's the compost bin area now. This is all soggy because I've dug down. This is the compost area. The soil that's in there was just from that last little bit that I needed to dig out. So I'm going to put the pumpkins in here. I'm going to put that on top so the chickens can hopefully stand on it and poop in it. I need to sort this out, a little perch for them. I think they've been sitting on it though because there's poo. That's a dust bath that I need to add some more sand to. I've still been using it. Oh, Casper! That's where I put some cabbages every now and again. I've moved this over here just to put some water things that I put on every now and again. I don't know where that's come from. Just to give them something extra to stand on. But I am going to put a few paving slabs there for when I got the compost bin. It's really soggy right in that bit. Yeah. And the food is over there. Thanks for watching my October tour. I've only got November and December to go. Then it'll be the first year I've done every month a tour. Even though a couple of months I've not actually done them on the day of the month. It's only a couple of days after October today. Anyway, thanks for watching everyone. Bye!